स्वागत है दोस्तों हमारे चैनल पर। तो दुआ करता हूँ कि आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे, आप सभी की तबीयत अच्छी होगी, आपके घर में सब अच्छे होंगे। ठीक है। तो जैसा समय चल रहा है, दुआ करता हूँ कि आप सभी का जो भी टेंशन हो दूर हो और आप पूरा जान लगा के आप प्रिपेयर करें मेंस के लिए। तो यहाँ पे ये वीडियो जो मैं आपको देने आया हूँ, मतलब इज़ इट पॉसिबल टू प्रिपेयर फॉर मेंस ओके इन 10 डेज? क्या पॉसिबल है 10 दिन में हम जीके प्रिपेयर कर सके लास्ट 6 मंथ का? ओके, फॉर द लास्ट 6 मंथ इज इट पॉसिबल टू प्रिपेयर? लिसन, एक बात मैं कहता हूँ, 10 दिन आपका भाई है ना, 10 दिन में प्रिपेयर किया है, 10 से 15 दिन में प्रिपेयर किया है। अब कैसे प्रिपेयर किया वो डिपेंड करता है, वो स्ट्रेटेजी इंपॉर्टेंट है। ठीक है, सो दैट स्ट्रेटेजी इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट दैट हाउ यू प्रिपेयर. Last year I prepared in last 10 to 15 days. Okay, hardly I got 13 14, so average I'm taking 10 days. So how I prepared and how much did I score? And if you know that out of total examination held in 2020, let it be IBPS, SBI, whatever, toughest GK was RRBPO. If you have given, you'll remember that toughest was RRBPO. So according to me, RRBPO was the toughest, and in that I scored 14 point something. Okay, 14 point something, and in which I attempted 17 or 18, like that, something like that, and I got 14.75 or something like that. I'll be showing you one day, okay, for sure. So, and the cutoff was 4 point something. Okay, so how I prepared that I got 14. Many of the candidates were there that even after those who got the allotment, even they didn't got 14 or 15. Some of the candidates were there, those who get 20 plus also, rare, very rare case were there. But as you know that cutoff was only 4, so can you imagine if cutoff was only 4, the paper was how? And I remember that IBPS PO, same preparation, with same preparation I could attempt 30 plus in IBPS PO with same preparation which I prepared in last 10 days. So can you imagine? Yes, it is possible. Many YouTubers say that you start from the first day. Okay, many of the candidates they start from the first day, but 90% of the candidate they wait for the result. Result comes, start preparing for the mains. Okay, so you have to agree with this. Many candidates are there. Even maybe you might have not been preparing for GK for the last 4 months, 5 months, like that, but you have started now. So one thing, you think that you have to stay positive. Stay positive. When you stay positive, no, even 10 days is enough, because you don't if the paper is easy, if the paper is very easy, you'll be able to attempt 25 plus easily. If the paper is hard also, you'll be able to attempt average, remember. And you in YouTube people say follow 3 4 source. No yaar, I don't agree with this. Don't follow 3 4 source. You follow one source, revise it 4 5 times, that is more than enough. Okay, so I hope you got it, what I'm saying, what I'm trying to say. So is it possible to prepare for mains, okay, in 10 days? Yes, it is possible. And how you'll follow it, it's most important. Now you have to take one source. First of all, you have to take one source. Okay, one day, can you complete 1 month? Yes, you can complete 1 month. Suppose I'm taking Adda, I have done that. Adda GK I'm taking. The daily wise GK is there, right? In which you get 15 to 14 question. Okay, 15 to 14 question you get every day. 14 15, sometime 10 also is there every day. So what you do, you can complete in 5 hours. You can complete in 5 hours. 1 month GK you can complete in 5 hours. Now you might say that how will I remember this? Okay, how I'll remember this. And one more thing, I'm saying here last 6 months, as I told you, as it's written last 6 months. Okay, in last 10 days, see, don't follow for the last 2 months, follow mostly for the last 4 months is most important. Okay, and if you get time, okay, if you work more hard, you will be able to complete 6 months. It's not that I'm saying that you won't be able to complete, but 4 months is 100% you can complete it. And the last 2 months you can prepare like 300 questions, whatever you can prepare that. Okay, suppose I'm making strategies for last 4 months. Suppose I'm saying you now, Okay, saying you now suppose a example I'm giving you, like you have 10 days, okay, from today. Now what you do, morning you get up, morning anytime you get up, 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, whatever time you like, you get up morning, 5 o'clock, whatever. So remember, you start, how I'm saying, adda, take adda. Okay, this video might be long, please don't mind, please don't mind, because as you know that not everything is not scripted. Okay, I'm just talking from my heart what I'm feeling. Okay, I'm talking to you. Okay, I'm sharing you my whatever experience I have. So if you get up, suppose 8 o'clock, I'm saying you in the morning, everything is ready, you are ready for study from 8. Okay, from 8 you start. What you do, uh, 1 to 15, suppose April you are preparing, 1 to 15 April you complete it in one go. Okay, one go from adda. Remember the daily GK is there, not the quiz one. Okay, the daily one is there, in detail it's written, you can complete it in 2 hours, 2.5 hours hardly. Okay, 2.5 hour, hardly 15 days. Okay, so for 1 month it will take hardly 5 hours, less than 5 hours. Okay, less than 5 hours you can complete for 1 month. After completing 1 month, suppose 5 hour you have given to in that. Okay, other whatever you feel you can do that, but for current affairs I'm saying. So in 1 month you have completed in 5 hours, suppose 5 hours. So what you do next day, what you do again, you revise that. Okay, again you revise that in the same way. Okay, so you just see that now I'm saying 1 day 5 hours if you are giving. If you want, you can complete 2 months GK in 1 day also. It depends on you how much you can take. Okay, so this is the study. If you want, you can complete in 1 day, double revision you can give, like 5 hours you've given, again you start the revision, you give for the month of April, again you revise it once. Okay, so you have done your revision, you have done one go. Next day what you do, no, again you revise that April, so it will be 3 time revision. Okay, 3 time revision. Then on the second hour what you do, you start April, May. Okay, May, again you go in this cycle. Got it? So two time, 3 time revision will be done. And remember, you'll remember lots of things, you'll remember. And is, yes, it is possible to prepare in last 10 days. So if you follow this strategy, just think by yourself, will you able to complete 6 months? Yes, you will be able to complete 6 months GK. Now see, you have to give time, you have to give 10 hours, 11 hours every day, then only. Okay, 10 to 11 hours, the rest 4 hours you can give to the rest of the subject. At least 15 to 16 hours you have to study daily, and in 10 days 100% you can prepare this 6 month GK. Okay, be positive, yaar, be positive. People say no, it's not possible to prepare. Yes, it is possible. Okay, it is possible. And with revision you will be able to complete this. Okay, so if you want to follow my opinion, you do this. If you have not prepared GK, or if you have prepared little, if you have prepared 1-2 months, it's okay, you can follow this strategy for last 1 month for RRB PO, SBI PO, SBI clerk, whatever exam, you can follow this strategy. And for banking awareness like history, geography, you can follow this, what, Olibot. In Olibot there are 7 videos of those. Okay, so you can write banking awareness Olibot, you can write it. Okay, that 7 videos are there, you just watch that. With, you can watch with double speed. Okay, or 1.5 or 7.5, and you can complete it in 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours you can complete it, and do the revision 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, that also will be done. Okay, so main thing is stay positive, do not be negative. Okay, so see, I tried to share my experience with you. I don't know whether you have got it or not, but remember one thing, stay positive. Yes, it is possible to prepare GK in 10 days. Yes, 100%. Okay, you have to trust in yourself. Okay, even if you have not started now, suppose your exam is on 5th of September or 4th of September, just think, imagine today is 26. Yes, you'll be able to complete. Trust me, you'll be able to complete with revision. And just imagine how much confidence you'll gain. Okay, so this was all my experience, and I hope you understood this. Don't worry, like slowly later in future I'll try to prepare GK for you all. Okay, but now then you can follow this, my strategies adda, you follow adda. Or if you are following study IQ paid course, you every day there are 18 questions, to together is 540 question. According to that also you can prepare last 6 months. Okay, but you need a good revision, amount of revision, and good amount of time you have to spend every day. Okay, you got it. So 10 to 11 hours you have to spend every day if you can. Okay, if you put more pressure, you'll be able to complete it fast. Okay, so this was all my experience, and I would like to say you that stay positive and keep preparing, and all the best for your upcoming exams. And any like if you feel like anything you would like to share, you can tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much for your 130 subscribers. You are like my brother and sisters, and it really motivates me. Even if one subscriber comes, it really motivates me, and due to that I keep on making videos. So thank you so much, and keep sharing, keep helping me also, and I'll be helping you again and again, don't worry. Okay, so all the best.